Use citrus peels around the house and see what happens next. The incredible usage of peels is revealing here. Before going to start, let's ask me a question. Are you using citrus peels in your house before? When you eat an orange or lemon, you might be tempted to throw the peels out in the trash. Before you waste the power within those peels, try a few of these uses for citrus peels around the house. Here are some important usage of citrus peels. Make an orange or lemon and vinegar cleaner. Place cut peels from 2 or more pieces of citrus into a sealable glass jar. Fill the jar with white vinegar and seal tightly with a lid. Let the mixture soak for 2 weeks. Strain the peels and pour the remaining scented cleaner into a spray bottle. Put citrus peels in your garbage disposal. You put all kinds of food in your garbage disposal, so it is bound to stink on occasion. Take your peels from lemons and oranges and grind them up in the garbage disposal. Their scent will release, which reduces the foul odor and freshens up the air. Bake peels in the oven to freshen up your kitchen. Set the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Lay the peels on a cookie sheet and bake them for a few minutes. The scent will release and freshen up foul-smelling kitchens. This is also a good trick for when you burn something in the oven. Make air fresheners with peels and spices. Take a square of fabric about 6 inches by 6 inches, or about 15 centimeters on each side, and set some dried lemon or orange peels in the middle. Add cinnamon, clove, nutmeg, or cardamom to the pile. Then gather up the corners and tie the square shut with a ribbon. Set the bundle in drawers or around the house for a potpourri-style air freshener.